Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to submit a Google form to your teacher. So I've double clicked on my form, which is going to be in your lesson, in your classroom. It will open up in a new tab. All you have to do is fill out all your information, whether this is going to be short answers or multiple choice. You press submit when you're done. You're going to have two buttons that we're going to be working with. The first one is for you to view your score. Of course, you can submit another response if you get that option. That's up to you. View your score. Now it will tell you what you have. Your teacher will already get this, but we need to make sure that you've turned in your assignment. You go back to the other tab, and there is a button that says Open Assignment. I want you to click on that. That will also open up in its own tab. Here you see your own work. Here where it says add or create, you have to click this button. Link, because we are going to give a link to your form. Go up here to where your link is and copy it. Come back to where it says add link, paste it. Say add link. And now you have to press turn in. This is how you have attached your Google form to your lesson. Yes, please turn in. And that's how easy it is.